What's going on YouTube? If you are seeing this, that means I actually did go to WPPI. Today is Saturday, February the 26th, and I fly out tomorrow, February 27th, and I'll be at the Mirage Hotel. Now, I have not touched a camera as far as photography since December, so this is exciting for me. I actually have a session, my first session since December. Um, it's been a while, so I'm kind of pumped up for that because I know in Vegas we're gonna be doing a lot of shooting, and this is gonna be the video that's gonna just bring you along the way, so you can see everything that I was up to while I was in Vegas. Hopefully, I got to meet some of you guys while I was there. I'm talking in past tense because when you see this, I'm probably gonna be back home. So, this is just what I'm doing. I'm at Creator Studios and I am about to start a session. Not sure if I should go live, but you already know that I'm not going to go live, actually. I'm not. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait so you can see what I do on this video, okay? This may get broken up into pieces. Just because there's so much stuff to cover, I know I can't do this in one video. So, I'm happy to be back, and I'm happy that you guys are still here for me. All of the support and everything was great. So let's get into this video, and bye. You know where I'm going tomorrow, right?
Are you going to Vegas
I'm
too?
going to Vegas.
Blessed.
Your last will and testament.
Huh?
Your last will and testament?
Okay. If I die, none of you will ever know it, and the only reason is because I can't put it on YouTube because we got music that just cut off. Now you actually.
I knew what was going on.
Okay. Yeah, you know what? You think I should set it up over there?
What?
All right. So look, going to WPPI tomorrow, and last session before I go. Come see what we're working on. Come see what I'm working on. So me and Alex put this together, right? Mustard, that's what it's called, right?
Marmalade.
Marmalade background, and just some cloth, and it looks good. Did you see what we did? You want to check it out? Check out the photos.
It's nice. Oh, the green is in there.
And they not even that good yet.
Because that's all he does. Ryan Troy just beats me up. He says, do this, do that.
Is that what I really do?
No, you're nice sometimes.
All right, so you explain what it is that we're trying to do. Actually, all right, go ahead. You explain.
Okay, so I am doing an all denim look. We are going to do denim pants, denim everything. We're gonna lay denim all out on the floor, and then I'm gonna wrap the denim around my whole body so we can showcase all of the denim that I'm using.
Okay. Now, are you looking here or here?
I'm looking there.
Here?
There.
Oh, okay, here. All right,
Yeah.
perfect. All right, cool. So that's what Alex is doing right now. He is
I don't know what I'm doing.
white hair Alex.
White hair Alex. This is a different Alex. I'm actually Alex's twin. I'm Alex.
So it's a strapless bra.
But I mean, that's not fair. You told me that after I looked it up.
It's like a strapless bra.
Okay, so
That look better?
I kind of think it looks better, even if like we tried I don't know if it was like you could try that, but then it would just look like
To be honest, it looks like you're in a bandeau, a denim bandeau.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know, I just want to cover up that foot. Or should we cover the foot up? What do you think? Come look at the photo.
No, it's more skin.
More skin?
Yeah, put your foot on top of the blue. Like, on top there. Yeah, I like folding it in half because it shows more of the rip jeans at the top. There's drinks up there.
Wow, the one that's showing the white part,
No
that's
alcohol.
the one I like.
You like that one, right?
Yes, this one, yes.
And around her face.
Yeah, but she had to lay down and put
I
it
got you.
around her. So it looks like she's standing, she's actually laying.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll lay, and then we'll kind of like lay some denim around you.
Boom. That head hurt.
On to the side, boom, and there we go.
Hey guys.
Perfect.
Yeah, so I have nails, can't really button with them, so you know, we got our little helper here. That's
Oh yeah. Oh, I thought we were going with the open look. The open look was kind of fire.
jeez.
Oh,
Hello?